AI Nexus, the holidays are officially here, and while everyone else is putting their holiday wish list together, we've been doing the same. 2023 has been a monumental year of AI advancements, and no one can deny that. On our holiday wish list is 5 AI-inspired wishes that, if received, would change the course of history, and certainly the AI world forever. So, grab the steaming cup of cocoa, snuggle up in your favorite holiday sweater, and get ready to unwrap the top 5 AI must-haves we're yearning for this festive season. Coming in at number 5, the first item on our wish list is what we want so badly for Elon and his x.ai to fully roll out and knock us off our feet with insane AI capabilities. At this point, Elon Musk's AI ambitions seem limitless. He's revolutionized online payments with PayPal, sent rockets into space with SpaceX, filled the sky with Starlink satellites, and rocked the automobile world with Tesla and Cybertruck. More recently, he spent billions on Twitter, named it X, and promised to restore free speech to the much maligned platform. Needless to say, Musk's ventures have been nothing short of spectacular, and now Musk wants to go beyond launching rockets or building electric cars. Now, he is setting his sights on AI with x.ai's Grok. Named after a character in The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, Grok promises to compete head-to-head with OpenAI's ChatGPT, potentially offering a powerful and diverse alternative in the AI landscape. But why are we all aboard the Grok hype train? Picture this: an AI that doesn't just mimic human intelligence, but evolves it. An entity that could potentially outwit, outlearn, and outperform what we've seen so far. What makes us believe Grok could be the dark horse in the AI race? Well, Musk is determined to make an AI that isn't sterile, humorless, and ultra-bland. He wants to humanize AI while making sure it is safe for humans. He is, after all, very concerned about AI that might endanger people. But we're also convinced by Musk's trailblazing spirit that turned electric cars and space travel from fiction to reality. We're not just hoping. We're on the edge of our seats, anticipating Grok to unveil capabilities so groundbreaking they border on the realms of AI fantasy. So far, Musk has put his money where his mouth is, and we hope he does the same with his x.ai project. You might love him, you might hate him, but you cannot doubt that he is a groundbreaker and game changer, and AI needs people to challenge the current leaders. Next up on our AI holiday wish list, and coming in at number 4, is an advanced video AI tool unlike anything we've ever seen. Could it be that in 2024, the next Steven Spielberg might start making their first movies assisted by AI? In 2023, we saw the dawn of AI-generated video content with leading apps Pika and Runway ML. These platforms gave us a mind-blowing glimpse into the future. These apps allowed creators to generate videos from simple prompts. They can even generate videos from other images. However, these were just the first steps. Their first versions have been limited by very short video times and limited quality. But even by the end of 2023, we've seen massive improvements. Our AI wish is to see the evolution of this technology become something more powerful. Imagine AI tools capable of producing feature-length films or intricate documentaries, all using text prompts and images. Imagine being able to edit your footage with only natural language. These kinds of advancements would not only revolutionize the entertainment industry, but also make content creation more accessible than ever. It could enable anyone to produce high-quality videos. Our wish would be for tools that can help people turn their visions into a visual reality. So we've talked about software, and number 3 on our list is something you can touch, feel, see, and talk to. We're talking about Amica, the world's most advanced human-like robot. Developed by Engineered Arts, Amica has fascinated us with its human-like expressions and movements. So what are we wishing for this holiday season? Well, we want to see AI robots like Amica stepping out of the labs and into our everyday lives. We would love to see Amica become a household name, with applications ranging from education and customer service to entertainment and companionship. Okay, and we admit it, we hate cleaning, and it sure would be amazing to have something like Amica to give us a hand. Hey, it would leave us with more time to make videos. Coming in at number 2 on our top 5 AI holiday wish list should come as no surprise for anyone out there. We want to see AGI, plain and simple, and we want to see it soon. For some, artificial general intelligence represents a potential danger for humanity. Pessimists imagine AGI as being the beginning of an era in which computers try and outdo humans. But here at AI Nexus, we are AI optimists. We believe that AGI will be a pinnacle of AI development. It's not just another AI product. It's the culmination of our most ambitious AI dreams. AGI isn't about performing specific tasks or overcoming humanity. It's about improving the human condition through technology. Let's not kid ourselves. Humanity is imperfect, and the world has many problems. War, climate change, energy issues, poverty. What does AGI have to do with this? Well, having safe AGI platforms could be like having the most brilliant human minds ever, all working on problems to improve our world. AGI engineers and scientists might find solutions for sustainable energy and food production for the entire world. AGI economists might find the formula for all people to prosper. AGI doctors might find cures for the most painful diseases and afflictions. For years, we've been tantalized by the prospect of AGI, yet it remains just out of reach. In 2024, our greatest wish is to witness the birth of a true, safe, and beneficial AGI for humanity. We wish for an AGI that can comprehend, learn, and adapt, bringing untold benefits to humanity. Now, before we get to what is sitting at the top of our AI Holiday Wishlist, we wanted to squeeze in an honorable mention. That spot goes to the GPT store from OpenAI. We were itching to see the GPT store launch in 2023. It was one of the most exciting announcements in an absolutely madcap year of innovation from OpenAI. One of the announcements was GPT Builder, which came out and made a huge splash. The next step was supposed to be the store to sell those GPTs, but there was some turmoil at the company that might have impacted its delay, as it was supposed to debut in September of 2023. Now scheduled for 2024, the GPT Store platform is set to unleash a wave of creativity. It might also provide some huge financial opportunities. GPT developers will be able to sell their own GPT models. With the super easy-to-use GPT Builder already out there, the sky's the limit for developers. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Our number one wish for this holiday is a product from a company with the power to change the world. The wish is for Google Gemini to become everything it is hyped up to be. Google officially released Gemini this December, earlier than most anticipated, and it represents Google's great gamble for AI thus far. We're only just now starting to understand the vast potential with Gemini, but our top wish for this holiday is for Gemini to go mainstream and revolutionize the world as we know it. This project descends from the revolutionary Google DeepMind and aims to integrate different types of content, text, images, video, sound, into a cohesive, powerful AI model that will rival the very Google search engine that made the company a world power. Gemini represents a new era in AI, where the barriers between different types of data are broken down. With its integration with the vast Google Cloud, Gemini could have unparalleled speed and data processing capabilities. It could very well set new benchmarks for AI performance. Features include integration into its Pixel Pro phones. It will power Bard and has an Ultra version that will run circles around ChatGPT. Do any of those applications have the chance for widespread adoption of Gemini? Man, oh man, we sure hope so. Because if so, the world of AI will make the largest leap forward we've seen to date. As we conclude our festive journey through the possible AI landscape and our top wishes for this holiday season, it's exciting to think of the incredible potential. From x.ai's grok challenging conventional GPTs to the dream of AGI and the hopefully revolutionary Google Gemini, the upcoming year promises to be another landmark year in AI development. Here's to a year of innovation, discovery, and transformation in the world of AI. Happy holidays, and we can't wait to explore these advancements together with you at AI Nexus. Want to see more developments that came out this year? Then you definitely need to see this video here.